All right, back at it again. Up for another one. Let's go. And in this one, what do we have, Keys? Continuing with the news updates, it is being reported it is not the end for the California fires, as reports say that the death count continues to rise to at least 26, and there's many people still missing. Also, we're hearing that there is a wild type of wind approaching, which is catastrophic, and it appears that people are leaving in thousands. That's right, folks. So evacuations are in place because more wind is ahead, and it looks like the firefighters are not able to contain these kind of fires. We're gonna continue to follow up with this, but right now, pray for California. More to come, guys. Stay tuned till the next one.